embarrassment for my fans.
No, not embarrassment. Tell me you're crazy. I respect you. You're crazy.
You feel a feeling and create excitement.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How are the latest news them love?
You don't know Media Fox or not? Yeah, man. People, you know, say, yo, this I get from bad to worse, you know. Like, I see a video. See, with Miss Kitty and Tammy Lee up on a stage. It look like some government thing are going, you know, sponsorship and, you know, them a try to look help for the hurricane relief. See, and the way how Miss Kitty are going, bro, me I tell her, brother, like, that woman here, I don't know, bro. But me I go play the clip and break it down and me gonna see what I go on.
Miss Kitty and Tommy Lee at it.
Those who are in need, if you can, donate something extra special to the cause tonight.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, big up, man.
Like how much?
Oh, I can't do it. Good man, how yourself, man? How do we think, you know?
So enough.
You know, I don't like people. It's like when I realize that everybody a call out the artists them. Like, I don't know are the artists them around Jamaica or what. Like, the man a perform on a stage, and at this moment you go try call. You don't know if the man contribute already or why, you know. But you would up on the stage like, yeah, make it seem like say, yo, the man no do nothing. Seeing the man responsible. Cause you not call out the right people them who forget call out, you know. Seeing at them people you know for call out. What the artists them have, them would donate with a willing heart. No mean say them for them on a stage a performer and not forward out and go on some type of way. But you don't know wrong with Miss Kitty is like, I don't know, it look like she want put a piece on Sparta and her, you see me, cause the way how she go on like that money thing, me the things you try to call it donation for the people, but it look like that this a donation for like in a fear account she want the donation go. Zine, but you can't say yo Tammy Lee kind of feel a way cause you know you call out the man them type of way, it even appropriate, brother. I don't feel like a man should have on the stage and a perform and yeah, you know, call it out this way like that could have just address, you know, address like round at the back or something. Come on, man. The people them money for call me must say the artists them have feed them family for sort out, you know. You see me? But people the way how do man are going.
They're gonna make money, Marco.
Yeah, me see your concept now? Yeah, it's not the bag. See, I'm just a little bit of emphasis.
Boss, man, boss.
Let me ask the money now, I can't read. Let me ask the money.
Yeah, man, I don't know what one, okay, no, we need it in a Jamaica, kids, people, and then last night, home, people close blowing. I first, I say, how much somebody are gimmicks and laugh. I say, I'll leave them going on my cheek.
I know, that's why I'm saying.
First, this.
But you have your chains though, they're heavy.
Yeah.
You see it? Yo, man, I tell you, you know. I true man have on chain and everything, you know. She a try call out the man, but it's like you can see say, yo, the Sparta boss uncomfortable, you know. Because he might try, you know, drift away and, you know, from the situation. You see, imagine people, this was the same artist where is it with the system not to like him. How comes you so like funny? The same artists them where them have been a call out for donation. Was this I see them artists them where them never like every show them go, show a lock off. Now when the country in a desperate measures right now, them a call out the artists them, yo, artists need for forward and donate, and these were the same artists where them could even make a money cause as them depend on a show a perform, police come lock it off, all of these things. So now we don't want the artists them help, now call them out, all of them look at something until it reach up on stage. Can't do them, not do them thing on the right, man. There's a time and place for everything, you know. Yeah. I don't know, Miss Kitty maybe she try grab some money or something, but she not act like, come on, man. You should have sense with that, man. You know, a time and place for everything, man, and how you adjust the thing, cause a crowd of people and you know, call out the man and yeah, man have chain on him neck, yes, but that no mean nothing. Where if you say, yo, watch him have chain on him neck, yo, him have to donate and, you know, and a fee him responsibility, you know. But who knows that Tamale got do him thing still. Is it?
The diamonds. And I'm just saying. Long time I don't chuck off into some money.
So you can't sing to you before me.
No, you can't give me the money first.
Must give me the first.
No, give me the money first. No money, then vice.
That's the thing.
I'm three songs sing already. No, you have to
embarrass me for my fans.
No, I'm not embarrassing Tamale Chris. I respect you, Chris.
You see it? You see, him shame, you know, me I tell you, say, Tamale feel away. That's why I'm saying embarrass him, you know. Because the way how him a call out, because look here, you call out the man, make it feel like, say, yo, him not rate the people, them. I saw it seem, you know. Seeing? So it seem. So, it's like, you say, oh, you chuck off in a money and you hold on for the man bag and all of them look something. I may say, yo, you know. Yo, may I tell you, say, artists them in Jamaica right now, make sure it's on ready and line up to go in a parliament, you know. Because I want to run the country right now. May I tell you, no, the artists in Jamaica, I want to run the country because I want to get the call out them, you know. Remember, say, people them pay on no tax money and nah give back. I saw me see them are going like say, I want to get the tax money. But look how much, but a lot of artists donate. A lot of art, because them feel like, and every artist rich, you know. And every artist rich. You might see an artist with a chain or something and you know, say, look here, pay down for that chain there. And everybody, you see him say rich and, yeah, some man have some loan for deal with and, you know, certain things to deal with, so. But I feel like, say, you see a man and you feel like, say, yeah, my money are pocket heavy. Because I see she hold on the bag a while ago, I say, yo, Jano. But I saw you go, Miss Kitty is all about the money, you know. Yeah, man, although she have a husband, she go on with Tamale, come like, say, Tamale can get her 100 grand and 200 grand and just know, say, look here, that's some see her, the way she go on, she watch out everything, diamonds and bag and money and, yeah, man, all of the vanities.
You feel a feeling that great excitement, man.
No, look at your scalp clean, I would never do that. I was going to pick up Mr. Cool, man, don't what?
Yeah, think of everybody, big bad thing.
When say half a million, when say? Bank account, I have my one ready for you.
So basically, look like Tamale say $500,000 seeing and bank account or something. So she a big the donation, you know, but she want give Tamale for her bank account. Yo, me tell you about them woman here, you know, brother. Although them married, you know, me I tell you nothing can't only thing can change them and money. You understand? Yeah, money, brother. So when you see Miss Kitty is all about the money. Once you have the money, you have her control. You turn her in a puppet. Yeah, man. Turn her in a, so she hold on the man bag. You that thing say, yo, I fear her, man. Yeah. Imagine all her husband there down the sun and see what I go on. You know, I know if her husband the right front I see she would not go on. So I tell her that. Yeah. So every artist them do them thing how much more than one other artist them do. Eh? I say every time when I book up your artists, them I go on them donate this and donate that. Artists them can do. Remember, say an artist them collect billions of dollars, you know. And I artists them right now, enough of artists them show thing, not go on for enough of artists, and I really do not show like that. So when I really look on them thing about the artists, them still do a great work, same way. Yeah. Great work, same way. I have to big up the artists them too. Yeah. But you cannot call out the artist every day. I feel like say everything I just jump to solution or you know. But I just one of them thing the people. You know this you see, that's why as me say stone the builder refuse become the head cornerstone. The same artists them with them lack of show up on. The artists them with them criticize. The artists with them bring down. The artists with them say a criminalize and every little thing. Are the same artists them today. Them want to give out and support and a call out. Imagine. You never know say the artist them is an asset to the country. You never know that back then, before all of the hurricane, same artists them, if Uno did I give the artists them and build certain things to make sure say the artists them good and protection and can perform for the people them, so them can make money, So you can get in a local donation. Yeah, say if you did do that, it would have more better. But no, time police come lock off show and they know say this artist a perform, yeah, so yeah, that's how them do people. So right now, when I just get and yo people, the artists am go beyond. Me I tell you that. Yo, when me see when things get back to normal, whenever time, I me see indeed no artist certain way, remember me tell you man, crash out man, because the artists them go beyond. Me I tell you, you have artists who are shipping private jet, artists are shipping cargo, artists are be a truck go country, a be them long truck with cement and black and everything. Remember, and the artists are responsible for the people. The artists are only responsible for them family. That's what them responsible for. Yeah, them a build a foundation for support the people them we need. See, them can do that. Them not obligated to say, look here, alright, every disaster, you have to donate this. Every week, you have to donate. Every month, year, whatever, decade, there is no laws or anything. But the artists them do it for them willing heart. You have artists who do them for do already and go back to the drawing board. Because them cannot continue and them run out, yeah, cause if them not do no show, where do I get the money from? Remember say them lifestyle expensive already, Big car and big house and a bag of asset and where them have to sort out for themselves. So the artists them do what them can do, but I feel like people that calling out how skitty do. I don't feel like it's at the right time at the right place right now. You understand? A government thing, and you could have, but when you're the backstage, you could have said, yo, but calling me out this, so no, it inappropriate for that right now. Yeah, I just one of them things. But people, big up on yourself, big up for the respect and the support for the people. Yeah, man, I don't know one media facts, man. And big up for me people who support the thing. Is it? Yeah. And the new people who are followed in and they don't know what to do already. Like, share and subscribe. Yeah, man, and respect. Is it? I know not everybody I go really go with what I say, but that's how it go. We are human and we have an opinion. You have people who say, yo, yeah, and you have people who say, nah. And that's how the thing go. I just negative and positive the energy of the world, Yeah, but when you don't know one media facts, that is it.